Hi, this is Saranya Chejalla. Welcome to UCP Tech. In this class, we are going to learn about another important type of microwave communication is satellite microwave communication. In the previous classes, we already see that what is meant by unguided transmission media and what are the different types of we have in unguided transmission media. So this is another type of microwave communication. We already see one type of microwave communication, that is nothing but an terrestrial microwave communication, and this is the satellite microwave communication is the second type of microwave communication. Let us get into the topic what is meant by satellite communication. What is the satellite micro or satellite microwave communication? Okay, see, the satellite communication, today we all know that what is meant by satellite communication means it is wireless transmission. We can send data from source to destination, right? Through the air we can communicate data from source to destination. A satellite is a physical object that revolves around the earth. So this satellite communication is more reliable nowadays. We are not using any cable and fiber optic systems to transmit the data from source to destination nowadays. Why means it is very reliable and it is a wireless transmission. We can communicate data for longer distances. We can communicate data for longer distances. That is the one of the main advantage of satellite communication. Okay, and another thing is the satellite communication is more reliable. Reliable means there is no chance for that much type of noise and errors or disturbances in the data while transmitting data from sender to the receiver. Okay, so we can communicate with any point on the globe by using satellite communication. So through the globe, we can communicate any remote systems. Okay, that is the main important advantage of satellite communication. See, why the satellite communication is a very reliable means. Let us see the diagram how the data is sent to the satellite. Again, the satellite will give that particular data to the destination. Let us see the diagram in the very deeply. Okay, so this is an diagram of a satellite communication. See, the main important thing here, I will tell each and every point how the data will go into the satellite, and from satellite we can receive the data from Earth station. Okay, so this is in first Earth station means one system, and this is an another remote system, second earth station. So why we call this as an earth station? Earth station means wirelessly we are communicating data. The satellite is in the air means through around the earth. Okay, so this is an earth station. Why we are living in this earth means we can call it as this earth station. So that's why this is in first earth station and this is in second earth station. Okay, so I am transmitting the data through the satellite. Okay, I am transmitting data to the satellite here. See, in the form of these are the towers, antennas. So I already said that in wireless communication, our data is in electromagnetic signals that will be transmitted by using the concept of antenna. That using concept of antenna. So through the antenna, the signals are passing, means the data is passing through the satellite. And here one of the advantage means while the satellite is in a longer distance from earth station, the satellite is in longer distance from earth station. Here while these signals are going to the satellite in between, okay, there is a chance that signals will be corrupt because it travels a long distance from one earth station to the satellite, right? While traveling, the signals come weaker and there is a chance of loss of the signal. Right, here Here, the main advantage of satellite is while receive the data from one first earth station, it amplifies the signals. It amplifies the signals. Amplification means we can convert the weaker signals into we can convert the weaker signals into stronger signals. Okay, again, when it amplifies the signal, that data will be given to the destination earth station or the second earth station. The destination earth station or the second earth station. That means the satellite communication is more reliable in nowadays. That is a main one of the main important advantage of satellite communication. See, while it amplifies the signals, what are the weaker signals we received from the one earth station? That weaker signals can be converted into stronger signals, and that converted data is sent to the receiver or second earth station. Okay, so this is the functionality of an satellite communication. We are using this is a very most preferable communication in nowadays. Okay, see, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of the satellite microwave communication? So advantages of satellite microwave communication, in that we also know that the signals is in the form of microwaves. Okay, the coverage area of satellite microwaves is more than terrestrial microwave. Already I said that the microwave range, that is 1 gigahertz to 1000 gigahertz. 1 gigahertz to 1000 gigahertz, I already discussed it in the previous classes, right? Okay, the second one, the satellite communication is used, it's mainly used in mobile and wireless communication. Mobile and wireless communication, we can take the Wi-Fi as in wireless communication applications. Okay, it is easy to install, it is used in wide variety of applications, nothing but an it is a general purpose application as well as a real time of application as well as a special type of applications. Okay, it is used the wide variety of applications. And what are the different type of applications we have? Weather forecasting, we can record the weather forecasting, radio or TV signal broadcasting, mobile communications. These are the variety of applications we have. I already said the general purpose applications, the special purpose, as well as uh, real-time applications. So the satellite microwave, these are the advantages of satellite microwave communications. Disadvantage of satellite microwave communication. See, the satellite microwave communication is easy to install, but the designing is very difficult and higher in cost. The designing is very difficult and higher in cost because it requires development, the very flexible development, and more time it needs, and higher cost it needs. Okay, that is the disadvantage of satellite communication. And the satellite needs to be monitored and controlled on regular periods, because every minute we have to monitor satellite communication. So that is the main important thing. We can't leave the satellite while communicating data from source to destination, because it remains in orbit. It remains in orbit. So each and every second we monitor the satellite and controls the regular periods. So that is the one of the disadvantage of satellite microwave communication. And another third type of unguided transmission media we have, that is infrared. So you already know that infrared waves or rays, we can call it as. And infrared transmission is a wireless technology used for communication over short ranges. See, we know that infrared waves means we know that we can get an ideas TV remote. In TV remote, we are using an infrared rays. Okay, the frequency of the infrared in the range from 300 gigahertz to 400 terahertz. It can communicate over short ranges. That's why the range is 300 gigahertz and to 400 terahertz. It has a high data transmission rate and high
speed of transmitting data from source to destination, right? It is used for short range communication, I already said, such as data transfer between two cell phones, TV remote operation. I already said TV remote operation, data transfer between a computer and cell phones resides in same closed area. Means within one building or one room, it can be give the data in a very reliable and flexible manner. Reliable and flexible manner, because it can communicate over short ranges. That's why it gives and very reliable data in short ranges. While it cross that limit range, the data will not in a reliable manner. Noise and disturbances will occur in the data while transmitting the limit. Okay. Characteristics of infrared rays: it supports high bandwidth and hence the data rate will be very high. I already said high bandwidth and data rates will be very high. Infrared waves cannot penetrate the walls. Therefore, the infrared communication in one room can be interrupted by the nearby rooms. Okay, one room can be interrupted by the nearby rooms because the infrared waves cannot penetrate the walls. And infrared communication provides a better security with minimum interference. It provides a better security. The interference is very less in one building because it transmits the higher data rate. The bandwidth is also very high. The EMI is also less in infrared rays while in short ranges or short distances. While cross these distances, the communication is unreliable. Outside the building, I already said the communication within the building is very flexible and reliable. It can communicate the data. Whenever it crosses the outside the building, okay, because the sun rays will interfere with the infrared waves. Whenever the sun rays will attack the infrared waves, the data will be unreliable format. That is the main disadvantage of infrared rays or waves. Okay, these are the different type of transmission, unguided transmission media we have, and each and every unguided transmission has some particular functionality. Majorly we use these three unguided transmission media to communicate data from source to destination, right? Okay. In this video, we discuss what is the another type of microwave communication and what is the infrared communication, how it will be communicate from one source to the destination. Kindly like, share, subscribe EC BTech for more videos. Thank you.